Namaskar. Today I am going to speak about teachers and teachers education under National Education Policy 2020. Under these three types of B.Ed courses will be there. First one is 4-year integrated B.Ed course will be the minimum qualification for teaching profession by 2030. 2-year B.Ed courses will be applicable for existing bachelor's degree holder, and 1-year B.Ed courses will be for 4-year multidisciplinary bachelor degree holder or master degree in specialty. Teachers education will be gradually moved by 2030 into multidisciplinary colleges and universities. Multidisciplinary higher education institute offering the 4-year integrated B.Ed program also provide blended and ODL mode of teaching to students in remote areas. All B.Ed programs will include training in time-tested technique in pedagogy, and the shorter local teachers will be available at BITE or DIET to promote the local art, music and culture. And for improving teacher educations, new comprehensive national curriculum framework for teachers education will be come by 2021. All teacher education program to be conducted within composite instruction, NTA testing for admission to B.Ed, stringent action against substandard standard-alone teacher education institution, and National Higher Education Regulatory Council will be function. Only educationally sound and multidisciplinary and integrated teachers education programs to be made available. Merit-based scholarship for 4-year B.Ed integrated. Setting up of national mission for mentoring with large pool of outstanding and senior retired faculty, and teacher eligibility test at all stages will be strengthened. So teacher recruitment and deployment will be strengthened by strengthening TETs, tech-based planning for teachers recruitment, certificate courses, transparent transfer systems, test score and demonstrations will be the part of recruitment, and restricting of NCTE. And for empowering teachers with the help of technology-based career growth and NPST, that is National Professional Standards for Teachers, providing service environment, and teachers have to be more autonomy. After that, academic leadership positions to be made available for teachers, and teacher professional development course will be of 50 hours of continuous professional developments. So this was all about teacher education in new education policy. Thank you for watching.